Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, back with another unboxing. We're looking at the Mountrax Foot Massager with remote control. Now, if you know me, I jump a lot of rope, and as a result, I have a lot of foot problems, foot aches every day when I wake up. So let's unbox this, and then we'll do the review to see what it's like. Okay, so let's see what is inside. There it is, completely empty. It took everything out of the box. Here's the foot massager. Let's go ahead, take this plastic off, see how it looks. Wow, this looks like a whole bunch of comfort. So there's the remote control and the manual, which I will be reading. There's one of those silica gels. Here is the power and another silica gel. So the feet, oh, this, I can already tell this is going to be a great review. So I'm going to go ahead and take everything out. I'm going to quickly read this, and then I will get into the review. This, of course, is just the unboxing of the Mountrax Foot Massager with remote control. So I just want to let you know that this is what you get once you take it out of the box. You're going to have to watch the full review to see my poor feet and see if this can help. Because if it does, I'll keep this under my desk while I work, and then I'll massage my feet. So that's the end of this unboxing. Make sure you like and subscribe. Let me know if you are interested in a foot massager. And of course, make sure you watch the full review as I put this through the tests with my own 2 feet. Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. See you again next time.